The Keirsey, Social Styles, and True Colors assessments have many similarities. All are based on how people think and behave. They are easy to use as their assessment tools are intuitive to users, both when taking and interpreting the assessments, and all provide results that are useful to participants in their professional and personal lives. All three are based in some way on Jungian principles, the Keirsey model and True Colors more directly so through the Jung-based Myers-Briggs type indicator. All three fit into the category of socionics, a branch of psychology based partly on Jungian principles. Developed in the 1980s, socionics studies psychological functions, including how they relate to behavior patterns and different character types. The Keirsey model expanded on the Myers-Briggs type indicator. True Colors founder David Lowry further expanded on Keirsey's work. Therefore, these two tools are more closely related to each other than to Social Styles. Social Styles was initially based on Robert Blake and Jane Moten's managerial grid model. Additional researchers have contributed to this tool to develop the instrument as it exists today. All three assessment tools are based on self-administered evaluations. Social Styles also adds a peer perspective and uses the combined self and peer evaluation scores to indicate a predominant character or role. All three assessments use 4 categories that correlate to the individual's basic thinking and behavior traits. The Keirsey model and Social Styles assign descriptive terms. True Colors, as its name implies, categorizes the roles by color. The 4 styles or roles in each of the 3 assessment tools have related counterparts in the other 2 assessment vehicles. All 3 models allow for flexibility, in that their designers recognize that human beings' behaviors fluctuate to some extent based on environmental, emotional, and other factors. In addition, the reasons for designing these tools include assisting to create greater understanding and improve communication, which requires a certain amount of give and take. Criticisms include that Jungian principles are based on anecdotal rather than empirical evidence, therefore reducing the credibility of such tools. In addition, participants self-assess rather than being assessed by a trained individual. While the Social Styles model does incorporate a peer assessment, the peer evaluation may be affected by the relationship between the peer reviewer and the participant.